Hey, home decor enthusiasts and cozy seekers. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some fantastic decorating tips using our Baygan Blankets. Get ready to transform your home into a haven of comfort and style. First things first, let's talk color harmony. Our blankets come in a kaleidoscope of colors. Choose a blanket that complements your room's palette or go bold with a contrasting color to make a statement. Picture our two-ply almadan in its vibrant hues, draped over a neutral couch. It's not just cozy, it's a centerpiece. Now let's get creative with draping. There's an art to casually throwing a blanket over a sofa or chair. The one-ply express, with its light, airy feel, can be elegantly draped over the arm of a sofa, adding an effortless touch of chic. Or for a more structured look, fold our two-ply Titan neatly at the foot of your bed, inviting you to snuggle in. Textures are the secret ingredient of luxury. Mix and match the plushness of our one-ply Sultan with the sleekness of our two-ply City Dreams to create a layered look that's visually appealing and oh so comforting. It's like walking into a room and feeling a warm hug. Don't forget, blankets can be more than just blankets. Create a cozy reading nook by piling up some cushions and adding the soft embrace of our two-ply Baygan. It's the perfect way to carve out a little peace and comfort in your busy life. And here's a tip for the seasons. Rotate your blankets. Use lighter, breathable ones like the one-ply King Flex Cloudy during the warmer months, and switch to heavier, snugger options like the two-ply High Class when the temperature dips. It's like giving your home a little wardrobe change. So there you have it, friends. With Baygan Blankets, it's easy to add a splash of charm and a whole lot of comfort to your home. Wrap your spaces in the beauty of our blankets and watch every room come alive with warmth and style. Remember, in the world of home decor, a Baygan blanket is not just an accessory. It's a statement of comfort and elegance. Happy decorating and stay cozy.